everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1992 Ford Mustang LX. Wicked cool car, guys. Love the color, man. If you grew up, I grew up in the 90s, late 80s, 90s. And everybody wanted one of these cars in this color. This is that dark emerald green. It's got the gray cloth interior. Great car, guys. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is the one who got me this car. 68,000 original miles on the car. It's got some performance mods added. That was all professionally done. We've got the receipts and the dyno sheets for it. Very cool car, guys. Fun car to drive. I actually got it in a few days ago. I drove it right away. Man, these things are just a blast. And like I say, these things are just starting to get hot. Everybody's chasing them. I believe that most of the paint is actually original on this car. I think the front end's been painted and the hood's been painted. But other than that, I think most of the paint is original to the car. Original headlights, and as you walk around, you're going to see some imperfections, but still very, very nice. Like I say, I believe they painted this front bumper and this hood, but other than that, I think a lot of this paint is actually original. Pretty car, man, and fun to drive. Love this color. Car hits the road great, nice and tight. Again, we've got the dyno sheets for it. Again, I don't want to just ridicule the car, but you can see, like I say, this stuff back here is the original paint. And you can see some age to it. Still very, very nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are Mickey Thompson, I think GT Street rear tires. Yes, they're a little sticky. Flowmaster dual exhaust with the stainless tips. Those are the 16-inch Mustang factory wheels. Wicked cool car, guys. Like I say, fun to drive. Touch-up marks. Clean as can be, though. This car is rock solid. Again, this is all that Holley SysteMax kit on it. It's got the EFI intake kit on it. You can see it's got the Holley sniper valve covers, upgraded ignition. It's got trick flow aluminum heads, comp cam, BBK cold air intake system on it. They've upgraded the throttle body, BBK ceramic headers. I think I said trick flow aluminum heads. They've got a bunch of suspension stuff on it to lower it all the way around. 5-speed manual trans, power steering, power disc brakes. This is all original in here. When I look at that, you can see it still has your tags on your body panels. I know this is all the stuff that the Ford guys look for. Original markings are still on it, so that you know the car's never been cracked up. Hydraulic roller camshaft. So we call this kind of fun to run to the ice cream shop. You want some performance, you get into it, this has got it, but nothing crazy. you know, you don't have to, you know, it's not, in other words, this is your local car show and cruise type of car. If you want to take it and run it at the track, you can, but this is just kind of smoke the tires and have some fun kind of car. Clean car. Power windows, power locks. I believe they redid those front seats. Factory dash. If you can see that rear seat. Headliner's nice. 68,391. It's got an aftermarket radio. It's got that short throw Hurst shifter in it. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 410 posi in it. Again, it's got lowering springs on it, custom aluminum drive shaft in it. I'll make sure I get all that stuff in the ad. Again, all your tags are still on it, which is what everybody wants to see. Again, just some little notes he put on this for us. All the receipts and everything. That stuff was done in July of 2019, so it's just a couple years old. And I guess there's less than 500 miles. A little note says that the brake-in oil is still in it. Car's clean underneath. Actually, I take that back. I think that oil change has actually been done now that I think about it. Again, back seat's nice. These cars are so much fun to drive, man. It's got some kind of remote there for your radio. Everything on it was working. All the gauges are functional. Just a nice car, guys. Got that wicked 90s Mustang sound out the rear. Blower motor works. Radio works. Open and close real nice. You probably got those on delay. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That we get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. It's a great way to keep in touch with us. Have a great day, guys.